This is our first biggest happening in our industry. We are signing a memorandum on medical export cooperation possibilities and mutual cooperation possibilities on how we can strengthen this industry and also support each other. First, we give floor to the Minister of Health, Ingrīda Circene. Good afternoon. Thank you for your interest. I have to say that together with many institutions and organizations from the health industry, we are working at the question of strengthening the quality raise of these health industry services, including the possibility of exporting the services. Many thanks to all our participants who created this Latvian Medical Export Association. We have competitive services, whether we talk about oncology or we talk about infertility treatment or we talk about virotherapy, that is one of the leading players in the world, not only Europe. We have to show it. We have to send a message to the world saying that we can.
Mums ir jādod ziņa pasaulē, ka mēs varam.
The moment is today when we are ready to sign a cooperation memorandum and search for opportunities of promoting the provision of medical export services, raising their quality and also show to the world that Latvia is competitive and able to provide a quality service. Now the floor is given to the President of Latvian Medical Export Association, Olafs Slūtiņš. Today it is really great joy and significant step as we are signing a memorandum on official state support to the industry of medical export. The memorandum includes an opinion on how Latvian Medical Export Association and the Ministry of Health see the development of medical export as an industry overall. I have to say that medical export services are not yet fully appreciated at the moment, therefore we see great perspectives here. Latvian Medical Export Association is carrying out the uniting of exportable medical industries and medical service providers in order to form a common offer of Latvian medicine to foreign patients. One of the steps is creating abroad the publicity of the medicine of Latvia, and we have been very actively working in this direction during the last year. I also have to thank for the support one of the engines of the association, Latvian Virotherapy Center, that offers a unique service, cancer treatment using a live virus. It is an absolutely unique thing in the world, therefore we can position Latvia in the world as the expert and the superpower of virotherapy sector. The slides show a few of our latest activities. Thus, for example, the prestigious World Bankers Arab edition, the banking executive that was available at the meeting of International Monetary Fund, included 6 pages about the potential of Latvian medical tourism export and cancer treatment with the unique method of virotherapy. In November, we had a 5-journalist visit from influential Arab world periodicals, who gave around 18 publications in the Arab language. The publications raised interest among patients from the Arab world who, until then, hadn't heard anything about Latvia at all. Let us have a short insight into some sectors represented by Latvian medical export. I give floor to Dr. Valdis Sīte, board member of the Riga Regional Hospital, with a presentation on bariatry sector that he represents. After a research on the market of medical services, we chose such a new developing sector in the world as a radical treatment of the obesity disease. The Riga Regional Hospital has a rather large experience in working with the particular foreign patients. For now, we have 302 foreign patients operated on. We are gradually trying to get into the markets of Sweden, England, Ireland, and now, possibly in connection with the MedExport Association, there might be also bigger interest from the Arab countries. Now the floor is given to the board member Romualds Erdmanis from ER Clinic, who is going to present the already mentioned virotherapy. Oncology, of course, is one of the directions in medicine which in Latvia is an exportable industry. The newest direction that is already developed in Latvia and also a developing tendency in the world is virotherapy. Latvian Academy of Sciences has nominated Rigvir among the 10 greatest achievements of Latvia. Also, the Cabinet of Ministers has included Rigvir among the potentially most exportable products. The development of virotherapy takes place in the whole world. In cooperation with several health centers in Europe, as well as in the Arab and CIS countries, the cooperation with Russia and Ukraine is developing very successfully. At the moment, foreign patients from already 23 countries have received virotherapy. We are indeed in a unique situation because we have the only virotherapy medicine that is studied, tested and used in practice. Now it is time for signing the memorandum. The memorandum is signed by the Minister of Health, Ingrīda Circene, and the President of Latvian Medical Export Association, Olafs Slūtiņš. One more time, I will remind that the memorandum intends cooperating in the popularization and promotion of Latvian medical service export.